Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. In this video, we want to still analyze a problem under straight line, which is a very simple thing. Now we have the question says, let A be this, B be this, and P has coordinates x, y, such that P divides the line AB internally. So it means we are dealing with internal division, so that PA equals 2PB. PA equals what? 2PB. What are the coordinates of point P? Now we're going to mention that A has coordinates 2 minus 1, so that this is x1, this is y1. B has coordinates 1 comma minus 3, so that this is x2, this is y2, right? Now I was trying to find the coordinates of point P, and they gave us an idea. They told us that PA is equal to 2PB. It simply means that PA being 2PB, you can just divide both sides by PB. You divide both sides by PB. If you do this, this can fizzle out, so that you can say that PA ratio PB is going to be 2. So that you can just say 2 ratio 1. So PA ratio PB is 2 ratio 1. So this is actually going to be, your L ratio M, which is 2 ratio 1. So with this, I believe that everything we need for the question is complete. So we want to find the coordinates of points P, which is x and y. Now we have that the x coordinate, x, is simply going to be Lx2 plus mx1 divided by L plus m, so that we have L, which is what? 2. So 2 into x2 is 1, plus m, which is what? 1, into x1, which is 2. So from this, then we have 2 plus 1. So that this is going to give us 2 plus 2, which is 4. 4 divided by 3. So we have 4 over 3. And the next is our y coordinate, which is what? Ly2 plus my1 divided by L plus m. So this is going to give us L 2 into y2, which is minus 3, plus m, which is 1, into our y1, which is minus 1, all divided by 2 plus 1. So that my y becomes, this is minus 6 minus 1 all over 3. So this is minus 7 divided by 3. So that my coordinates of point P would be 4 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So these are the coordinates of point P. I believe this is very clear to you. Thanks for watching. Do well to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share with 10 of your friends. Tell them this is Prime Concept. Thank you.